Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope all of you are good. Today we will discuss most important computer related MCQs. Let's begin. Question number 1 is Control plus N is used to option A save document, option B open document, option C new document, option D close document. Correct option is option C new document. Question number 2 is which file starts MS Word? Option A winword.exe, option B word.exe, option C msword.exe, option D word2003.exe. Correct option is option A winword.exe. Question number 3 is which of the following are word processing software? Option A WordPerfect, option B WordPad, option C MS Word, option D all of above. Correct option is option D all of above. Question number 4 is page down key is used to option A moves the cursor one line down, option B moves the cursor one page down, option C moves the cursor one screen down, option D moves the cursor one paragraph down. Correct option is option C moves the cursor one screen down. Question number 5 is which of the following should be used when you want to add a slide to an existing presentation? Option A added, add a new slide, option B insert new slide, option C file open, option D file new. Correct option is option B insert new slide. Question number 6 is the view that displays the slides of a presentation as miniature representation of the slide is called option A slideshow, option B slide sorter view, option C notes page view, option D outline view. Correct option is B slide sorter view. Question number 7 is line spacing refers to option A the space between the lines of text, option B the height of the line, option C the length of the line, option D A and B both. Correct option is A the space between the line of text. Question number 8 is to exit the PowerPoint application you should option A click the application minimize button, option B click the document close button, option C double click the application control button, option D double click the document control menu icon. Correct answer is C double click the application control menu icon. Question number 9 is objects on the slide that hold text are called option A placeholders, option B object holders, option C auto layout, option D text holders. Correct option is option A placeholders. Question number 10 is in Microsoft PowerPoint the key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow. Option A F1, option 2 F2, option C F5, option D F1 not. Correct option is option C F5. Question number 11 is the slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called option A table slide, option B graph slide, option C bullet slide, option D title slide. Correct option is option D, title slide. Question number 12 is slideshow options available to the presenter include all of the following except option A, transition command, option B, speaker notes command, option C, meeting minder command, option D, navigation commands. Correct option is option A, transition command. Question number 13 is Microsoft Windows provides a graphic application named option A, Paint, option B, Adobe Photoshop, option C, Jag Paint Shop, option D, none of these. Correct option is option A, Paint. Question number 14 is text editor that is the part of Windows operating system. Option A, WordPad, option B, Notepad, option C, Adobe Photoshop, option D, Jag Paint Shop. Correct option is B, Notepad. Question number 15 is what field type is used to store picture in a table? Option A, memo, option B, OLE means opening linking embedding, option C, hyperlink, option D, none of these. Correct option is opening linking embedding. Question number 16 is the following database objects can you import from one MS Access database to another? Option A, queries, option B, tables, option C, forms, option D, all of above. Correct option is D, all of above. Question number 17 is the type of query extract the data and put them into separate table. Option A, a parameter query, option B, a make table query, option C, an update query, option D, a cross tab query. Correct option is option B, a make table query. Question number 18 is the checking operation performed on input data is called option A, validation of data, option B, verification of data, option C, cross check, option D, control of data. Correct option is A, validation of data. Question number 19 is in MS Excel chart wizard term data services refers to option A, a chart legend, option B, a collection of chart data makers, option C, a set of values you plant in a chart, option D, none of these. Correct option is B, a collection of chart data markers. Question number 20 is which file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? Option A, JPG, option B, GIF, option C, WAV, option D, all of above. Correct option is option D, all of the above. Question number 21 is a query summarize information in a grid organized by regions and months. Which type of query is this? Option A, a cross tab query, option B, an update query, option C, a parameter query, option D, an action query. Correct option is option A, a cross tab query. Question number 22 is in MS Access press alternate plus F11 to option A, display the control menu, option B, display the shortcut menu, option C, close the active window, option D, none of these. Correct option is D. Question number 23. Press the following key in MS Access to print the current or selected object. Option A, Control plus P. Option B, P or Control plus P. Option C, S. Option D, C or Escape. Correct option is option A, Control plus P. Question number 24 is, in MS Access, press Ctrl plus O to option A, open a new database, option B, open an existing database, option C, exit MS Access, option D, none of these. Correct option is B, open an existing database. Question number 25 is, in MS Access, to open an existing database, press option A, Ctrl plus N, option B, Ctrl plus O, option C, alternate plus F4, option D, none of these. Correct option is B, Ctrl plus O. Question number 26 is, in MS Excel, value used in a formula that doesn't change is called as option A, cell address, option B, constant, option C, function, option D, none of these. Correct option is B, constant. Question number 27 is, in MS Excel, 3D reference in a formula, option A, cannot be modified, option B, only appears on summary worksheet, option C, both A and B, option B, spans worksheets. Correct option is option D, spans worksheet. Question number 28 is, character spacing options are available in option A, auto text dialog box, option B, formatting dialog box, option C, autocorrect dialog box, option D, none of above. Correct option is option B, formatting dialog box. Question number 29 is, you can display the find and replace dialog box by using the option A, Ctrl plus H keys, option B, F5 key, option C, find or replace commands, option D, select browse object button. Correct option is A, Ctrl plus H keys. Question number 30 is, which of the following is not part of a tab merge process? Option A, data field, option B, merge field, option C, data source, option D, main document. Correct option is option A, data field. That's all.